morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. And this morning I would like to perform oil change for Hummer H3. So which is it's kind of like a simple how to doing it, and if I can do, anyone can do out there who actually have a Hummer H3. And the reason why, because when you take it to the dealer, they will charge you a little bit more, and especially when you're using like here full synthetic motor oil. So in this case, this vehicle takes 5W30. So but in this case I'm going to mix it with high mile oil stabilizer. This is from Lucas, and with this one will keep your engine running smooth. So, and I just put like 1 gallon this 1 quart, okay, 1 quart. So total together is actually 6 quart of oil. So, and also I'm using this for the oil filter. It's very high performance and recommended by K&N. So first thing you have to do in this oil change is, this oil cap, you have to remove it, remove that, and the oil dip is right here, so you're gonna remove that later on too, and everything else is in the bottom. And just want to tell you that this is a few tool that I needed for the oil change. It's a 13 or 14 socket, and it's quite simple, and it's like home tool. Everyone have on it, I guess. So we'll see. Okay guys, this is a few bolts that you need to be removed. One here and one here and one here, and also one here and one there and the other one here. So total is 6 of them. So let's do that first, okay? And see you in a little bit. Okay guys, that's the bolt there, and one here, there, I'll put it there, and one there, one there. Okay. Okay guys, it's the oil. This is the bolt for the oil. It's the oil fan that will come out. So you just unloose this, and the oil will come out. The oil will come out. So I'll do that and see a little bit. Okay guys, I'm gonna unscrew the bolt here, let the oil come out, drain it. So we just have to wait. Usually I change this like every 5,000 miles on it, because I'm using full synthetic oil. It's the best oil in the market for today. Actually, the oil is not that bad. It's still clean. Not really clean, but it's half clean. But it's alright. I gotta change it, so it's a do, you know. So if you wanna keep your vehicle running good every day, you know, for your daily commute, so you must have do regular maintenance, such as change the oil, change the brake, and a lot of little things. So we'll see. All right, I'll see you in a minute. Okay, in the meantime, while I'm waiting for that oil to drain, so if you have time, maybe you can clean the plate just a little bit, make it look good. This is called skid plate that protect your vehicle from getting like a cheap rock or wood from the road while you're driving. I think should be good. And other things that I need to be cleaned, that too, it is. It's called the back plate, and that's so dirty, I need to be clean. Alright, I'll wait for you in a little bit. Okay guys, so don't forget to clean your cup, your oil cup. Make sure they're clean before you put it back in. Alright, so far so good. Just let it like that, and we're going down to remove the oil filter. Okay, look like the oil up there is almost empty, so we have to clean here too, make sure you know, make it look nice and neat. And well, I already cleaned this bolt, so what you have to do now is just have to put it back right here, just like so. And when you tighten, make sure it's just tighten like snug. So with this one, it's just simple and easy. Just click it on and you will tighten them. Okay. That's good. That's tight enough. So, of course, what happened is if you tie it too tight, so we'll snap the bolt, and the bolt with like a broken half. So that's why you just make sure the tight is it's snug. Just when you feel it like something like that, and you gotta stop it. All right, guys, see you in a little bit. Okay, guys, so we're gonna move the oil filter, but I just want to make sure we put you know, the oil fan underneath here, because and somehow the oil is gonna drain from here, you know, after you remove this. So we'll see. Should be okay. That's not so hard. Okay. It's just you have to keep okay, the oil come up now. As you can see. I know it's kind of like disgusting. Right. So it's gonna let it go for a little bit until some of the oil come out, and then just get a bag or something to put this sucker off. Okay. New filter in, which is this one. What we're gonna do first is make sure we put pour some little bit oil on it, so that way have a kind of like maybe need a little bit more. So I'm gonna add it. So this is the oil. Is Castrol Edge High Mile 5W30 synthetic motor oil, fuel synthetic. Okay, full synthetic motor oil. Okay, I'm gonna add just a little bit more. I think that should be good. Now what you have to do is take this and put in there. Yep. And just screw in using your barely hand. Don't make it too tight, just like snag. Okay, okay. So make it just snag tight with your bare hand, so make sure that don't leak. Okay, because that if it's leak from here, that would be a big problem, because every day leak and you're gonna run out of oil, and then you have an engine problem. And so make sure it's just tight snug with your bare hand. Okay. Yep. Okay. Gosh. Okay. All right, guys. Now it's the time to pour this little guy, which is oil stabilizer. It's got a little bit thick though. So maybe it's gonna take a while to go down. Yeah. Okay. So see you in a little bit. Okay, guys. So what we're gonna do now? Pull out the oil dipstick. Make sure clean this. Alright, make sure it's clean. And put it back. That, clean here. And now it's time for the engine oil, which is this guy here. So let me get the camera set up so that way you guys see it. Okay. Okay, hopefully you guys can see better. That little guy has to go inside. And this is 5 quart. Plus you put that oil stabilizer 1 quart. So that would be total like 6 quart. That should be good enough. That's what's your hello, how you doing? What's the recommendation from the dealership, and ask for the manual book for the Hummer H3. So this typical engine need for 6 quart of oil, which is 5W30. Thank you, have a good one. Sorry, that was the mailman passover. So alright, just wait for this sucker flush down a little bit more so I can close. Should be enough. Alright. Just in case, you can adjust a little bit more. A little bit more oil is better than less oil, okay? Just have to tell you that. Okay, should be good. Now, so I'm going to put the cups on it, but make sure I get this taken care. There. And this cup side here, right here. I know you guys can see that. 5W30. It's going good. Okay, see you in a little bit. Okay guys, that I start the vehicle, and then what you have to do is make sure you check there's no leaking anything, no leaking oil or something. Okay, so you go underneath. Good. There's no sign of leaking there. It's good. So check the oil fan. It's good too. As you can see. There. right. Okay guys, I already put the skid plate together, snug and tight. So as you can see, all the bolt is in place there and there, so it's done. Okay.